Hello everyone. So I guess until now we have made almost the level 1 completed and we have given some sounds as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to from now onwards we're going to go to level 2. So this creating level 2 it involves a lot of programming and a lot of duplicating. So what we have decided is that we'll make the videos into three categories. One is focused on creating level 2. Another one is focused on creating the codes for level 2. The third one is kind of the full assembly. Okay. So this is, I would say, the hardest part of the whole game development. So it is easy. At the same time, you just have to follow our instructions. Okay, it's nothing more than just copy and paste. All right. So we'll go ahead and we'll start creating level 2. Karnik, we'll go ahead. Okay.
For starting the level 2, first thing you'll be needing is to create the maze for that. So I'm going to go to maze, costumes of the maze, and as I have level 1, I can create my level 2 by going to choose a costume and paint. But now I am going to duplicate this and mirror it.
Okay, so this is for just for us to save time. If you want, you can create the whole stuff. You don't need to how to say. You don't need to create the. You can create the whole maze. You don't need to duplicate it. Okay. So make sure you rename it. It will be very helpful for you. Like we just deleted, I guess, some lines, right? To make sure the character was there. I guess most of you can see. We just deleted some lines so that our character can probably stand over there properly. Okay.
Yes. So now the maze is ready for us. And for you it might be showing here like for name of the costume will be costume 1. So when you create a new one it will be costume 2. I renamed it level 1 so it will be easier for me. So this is level 1 maze. This is level 2 maze. So character starts here and I need to place the COVID-19. I'm going to duplicate all of them and mirror them.
Okay, so we're going to duplicate COVID as well.
Duplicate this. Even for this I named level 1. I named level 1 and level 2 for all of them. So you can do it for your comfort.
Okay. After doing that, Control A and just try moving it. Okay, it will be easier also. Not much of work. Okay, so now it's a little bit adjust for us. Okay.
So now the COVID-19 is in a position where it should be. So I'm going to go and change the position for the mask. Level 2 mask.
Duplicate.
So, duplicate it. I'm going to use 2 masks. Control C. V. Don't mind about the character when he is moving while you're moving this. You can always change it afterwards. So now the position of the mask is ready. The final thing we need to create is the hand wash.
Hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer. So I'm going to go to hand sanitizer. Same thing. I'm just going to copy and paste it.
And you duplicate?
Yes.
And flip it horizontally.
Now I don't want it to be in this position because it's blocking the way. So I'm going to move it up. Here, our character has to take some turns to come here. So our hand sanitizer is ready.
Okay.
So this will be the place where we'll be starting in level 2.
So you can the thing just a small recap. It's better we go for a small recap. Okay. See here, you can go to each individual except the character. Just go to the maze. Okay, and then costume and duplicate this. Be careful. Here, what happens is you might have a different name. Costume 1, you'll be having it. Just rename it as level 1. Okay, just simple level 1. It will be easier for you to recognize in the future. Okay, duplicate them. Okay, right click, duplicate it, and you flip it, use it. Okay, so this one again, COVID, duplicate, flip it, and align it based upon your preference. Okay, like that same mask as well as hand sanitizer. Okay, so this is the base. We just created the level 2's base, and then from the next one, what we're going to do is, as soon as the man reaches the hand sanitizer in level 1, it is going to send a message, go to level 2. Okay, and this we are going to use it as a trigger to start our level 2 game. Okay, so just follow up with us, and at any given point if you want the codes are available on a link down. You can download the codes and as well as visualize it if you have any issues. Okay, so probably we'll see you in the next video, and this particular 3 videos will be sent in a series, so you won't have to wait for 1 or 2 days. It will be like continue series as well. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Bye.